by the Patriots. All of you are heroes. Thank you, and we salute you.
Subscribers, shout out for subscribers. Subscribers, shout out for subscribers.
Peppa and George are slowly poisoning Granny and Grandpa Pig.
I love
going to the toilet
in your tent.
Oh, we love it too. Over the years, we've pooped in the mountains, in the jungle. We've even pooped on an iceberg.
We can poo anywhere with all the comforts of home.
Can we go to the
Traxxas Monster Truck Tour.
now?
You naughty pig.
Yes,
Naughty.
let's go and have fun.
He poisoned our water supply, burned our crops, and delivered a plague unto our houses. He did? No, but are we just gonna wait around until he does?
Watch out for the wave, George. Here it comes. Hit the sea.
monster
Oh, Granny, you've
been eaten.
Oh dear.
Granny, are you okay?
Hello, my name is Little Reggie Rabbit.
No,
I am on holiday with my mummy and daddy.
you're
Insane.
an old lady, Granny.
Oh, I don't know.
Can we talk to Little Reggie Rabbit, please?
Hello, I am Little Reggie Rabbit.
Oh, so where is Granny?
I don't know.
Little Reggie Rabbit? Where's Granny?
Oh, yes.
My mommy says she wishes you were dead.
The cheeky seagulls are eating Grandpa Pig.
Shoo! Shoo!
Grandpa! Oh,
We can use this rope to string all these bits and Grandpa Pig together. There.
Granny Pig has made a thing.
Hooray! And now it's home time. Oh!
Hey kids, this is Poo Poo Head. They call me Poo Poo Head because my head is made of poop.